Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to use a color picker. So you'd think using a color picker is actually really difficult because you need to organize all those colors and get all of those. You just think it's be really difficult, but it's actually really easy because in iOS 14, I think it might be iOS 13 or iOS 14, one of them, Apple introduced a new picker view, which is just a color picker. So it's really easy to set up, and in this example what I'm going to be doing is adding a big button in the middle, and that button will bring you to the color picker where you can change color and it'll change the view's background. So I'll just give this button some constraints. Let's put it in the middle, and we'll give it text size of like 30 or something. So go 30, we'll call this color picker, and actually we'll make the text bold so it's easy to click, because if we're going to be changing the also make it black, because if we're changing the color of the background then black's probably the best color to go for. Okay, so now you can just link this button to my view controller. So what I'll do is show color picker. Okay, and that's all we need to do for the view controller. Now we can go to view controller, and so a color picker is actually its own thing. So like the date picker, we have to create it from code. So we just go UI color picker view controller. When this show color picker button is clicked, we want to show this. So we'll just set the picker.delegate to self, and we want to present this. So present picker true nil. This is going to give an error because we haven't actually implemented the delegate. I'll do that as an extension because it's a lot easier. So UI color picker delegate. Okay, and now if we run this, we should see that it gives us a color picker. It won't do anything if we select one of the colors though, but it's a good start. So if we just run this, okay, so we'll click on this and it brings us this color picker. So Apple has done all of this stuff for us, but what we can do is just change the color and it will return the color. So now we have to add the code to change the background color and actually get the color. So the first thing we need to do is when the user's finished, we want to dismiss it, just so it doesn't end up like crashing the app or something. So dismiss it, no completion. This func is just necessary. It's not going to give us a color. The real func we want is did select color. Now it returns a color in this view controller because it's actually a color picker view controller. So I can just create a let color equals view controller dot selected color, and we'll do this as a UI color. Okay, and then we just want to set our background as the color equals color. Okay, now if we run this, that should be it. So click on color picker, we select a color, and it brings us back here. If we go back, we can change the color, like we can set it as that. And yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching guys, and that's how you use a color picker in Swift. So bye, see you in the next tutorial.